invoice there and invoice number. Okay, this is important. Thereafter, we are going to make the columns. I'll rub this part. You will have serial number. First of all, always the serial number. So serial number, and then you may be having HSN code. Draw small line. Serial number, HSN code. Then you will have name of the product. Name of the product. You can zoom and read my handwriting in your mobile also. Then you are going to write down rate, then quantity, then taxable amount, then you will write down CGST. In that you are going to make 2 columns, rate and tax. Okay. After that CGST, the same thing we are going to write down about SGST also. Rate and tax. And then finally we will have total. So this many columns you are going to make. We have just 2 entries and one will be of total. So maybe 3 lines will be enough. You are given HSN code भी दिया है. So first thing you are going to take with the HSN code 8507 mobile battery. Yes, that is the things we've shown. What is the rate? Rupees 200. You have taken 1, right? Clear? So just it is only 1, so we don't have to multiply that. So the taxable amount is rupees 200. Now GST is 12%, na? So 6%. चलो 100 रुपये पे 6 रुपया. So on 200 rupees it will be 12 rupees. I can write down orally will do. Correct? See here only I did the division, not taken 12%. I have taken 6%, so rupees 12. And same way here also 6%, rupees 12. So total you have to pay 224. Now next about the HSN code number 8518. What is the item? Headphone. Right? The cost of that is rupees 750. Again you have taken only 1 quantity. So taxable amount is rupees 750. We have 18% na GST. So CGST will be 9%. तो इसका 9% फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Just below this table you can find out. No need to do in the rough. You can just below the table you can find 9% of 750. So 9 upon 100 into 750. 1 0 deducted. 75 nines are 675 upon 10, which comes out to be 67.5, right? So you will have rupees 67.5. Then write down here also 9%, so 67 rupees 67.5. So what will be our total? 885, right? Followed? So once you did it, you can find out the total of this. Total it will be here. Add it. 12 plus 67.5. It will be rupees 79.5. Similarly here also 79.5. Add up the amount here also, total ka total 1109. Okay, so this is how you are going to make the tax invoice. Followed? Clear? Write it fast. We have to complete the next sum also in a similar manner. That is the last sum for the day. And with this, children, this chapter will come to an end. Problem set 4a you are going to solve. 4b is cancelled. So 4a you are going to solve. Whatever sums you have as a doubt, you can ask me in the next class. If there are no doubts, we will start with the probability chapter as well. Okay, now the next sum, question number 7. Now it is business to business tax invoice as per the details. So you have the name, address, state, GST, invoice number, date, etc., etc. So I am going to have that. Okay. So this is the supplier part will be the same, right? But it is business to business now. So the other one will also have a recipient. So we have to write down that also. So you will just write down here. This part will be same, huh? So here you are going to have recipient. Recipient. What name will write down? Write down any shop. Say Gogri shop, Gogri stores. Roughly. You can write down Kirti stores which are there. And you have to write down GST, NI of that also. So you can write down any 15 letters number. Okay, 27 followed by that same. As per the rule, please fill up that. Now I don't have the place there. Again you are going to make this way. The columns will be HSN code and the things. So what is the things now? We have the pencil box. Code number 3924. pencil boxes, right? And the rate is given as rupees 20. You can draw it quickly, huh, children? Only the difference here, you have more quantity. In the last time you had only one quantity. So how many are quantity? 100. One box 20 rupees. 100 box, the total will be 1, 2, 3 zeros. 2000, right? And now GST 12%. So CGST will be 6%. Huh? Correct? So 100 रुपये पे 6 rupees. So this पे multiply by it. So 6% of rupees 2000. Rupees 120. Got it? So same way, rate 6%. Rupees 120. So 120 and 120. 240 rupees or ये 2000. So total will be rupees 2240. Is it clear? Now next is, the next item is jigsaw puzzle. Not much difference, children. Only you are going to multiply by the number of quantity. एक का rupees 100 है. So you have purchased 50 quantity. So it will be 5000. Huh? So we'll find out 6% of 5000. So it will be 6. Both are 12%. So 6 into now 5000. So you have here 50. 5, 6 are 30. So rupees 300. So here write down 6%, which gives you the answer 300. Followed 6% find out किया इधर, okay? So here also 6%, which comes out to rupees 300. So 300 और ये 600 और ये 5000. So total will be rupees 5600. Correct? So what is the total? It will be rupees 7840. Clear? Clear this much? Now children, the last part, after this gets over now, when it is business to business, you have to write down the amount in words, the company PAN, everything you have to write down. So please do that. Write it little fast, just 2 minutes more, because chapter is coming to an end. Over? So then you will write down amount in words. So you are going to write down this amount. 7,800 and 40 only. I'm going to write down the company's pen also. Okay, what pen you are going to write down? 27 के बाद में GST में उसमें लिखा था, the same will come up. What we had written, something like A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. We have written, the same will come here. So please fill up that. And here on the right side of for PPEC. Okay, for PPSC, and then you are going to sign. So actually the bill has all these things. If you observe wherever you have gone to supermarket and all, you can observe all these things, and this is how it comes to you. So today also you study it with this children. This chapter comes to an